Are you curious about Master Resell Rights, often confused with pyramid schemes? You're not alone. Understanding MRR is vital for digital marketers looking to expand their income. Master Resell Rights, MRR, allow you to legally resell digital products and grant resale rights to others. When you purchase an MRR license, you buy the product and the rights to resell it. This system allows for multiple layers of sellers to profit. Key components of MRR include ownership without creation, flexible pricing, and resale permissions. Popular products with MRR often include ebooks, software, online courses, and templates. Now, for clarity, let's briefly explain pyramid schemes. These schemes rely on recruitment, promising returns for bringing in new members, and rarely involve legitimate products. They collapse when recruitment slows down, leading to financial losses for late participants. When we compare MRR with pyramid schemes, the differences are stark. First, MRR focuses on selling genuine digital products that provide real value. The success comes from selling the product, not recruiting others. MRR operates sustainably, relying on actual transactions instead of recruitment fees. Finally, MRR doesn't have exorbitant upfront fees like pyramid schemes. Digital marketers are increasingly drawn to MRR. It has a low barrier to entry, allowing you to start selling a quality product right away. The income potential is scalable since you control pricing and have no limits on sales. MRR can also provide passive income opportunities, as you can grant resale rights to your buyers, leading to additional revenue streams. However, success with MRR requires careful strategy. Choose high-quality products that solve real problems. Understand your target audience and tailor your marketing approaches. Use digital marketing tools like SEO and social media to expand your reach. Offering bonuses can set you apart from the competition. Transparency with buyers is crucial to maintain trust and clarity about the product and resale rights. Be cautious of hosted MRR courses. These often shift to affiliate models, risking your ability to resell original products you purchased. In summary, Master Resell Rights offer a viable and ethical option for digital marketers to reach their business goals. Unlike pyramid schemes, MRR provides real value through legitimate sales. If you're ready to explore new revenue opportunities, consider diving into MRR. Choose quality products, leverage effective marketing strategies, and maximize your income potential. For those interested in developing solid online skills, check out our training on high-ticket affiliate marketing and more. Get started with just $5 in our 5-day challenge. Remember, success comes with dedication and a willingness to learn. Explore the wealth of opportunities with Master Resell Rights today.